this is what a ticket looks like. When you get a ticket, they put the ticket with a bright orange envelope, so that way everybody knows that you got a ticket. Yeah, so I got a ticket, parking ticket. I'm not happy about it. It is my day off. Today's Tuesday. What we have? I don't even have my watch. Tuesday, April 30th. I took the day off because on Sunday, the 28th, I had a birthday. So at my job, I can pick a birthday day to get off. So I decided to take today off because I had a doctor's appointment. I parked my car at a specific location. I come out, and this is what's on my window, a ticket. What a nice birthday gift, huh? And if you're wondering how much is the ticket, let me put my glasses on again. Ticket is, where is it at? $60. $60 ticket. It says no parking days, hours, all days, all times. I realized where I parked at, it was supposed to be no parking. The sign was so far away that I didn't know I couldn't park there. There was a sign that says I can park there every day except Tuesday between 7:30 and I think like 8:30 or something like that for street cleaning. But the arrow was pointing the opposite way, where I was parked at exactly, I wasn't supposed to be parking there. The sign that said no parking was so far away, I failed to see that. So this is what a ticket looks like here in New York City. New York City Department of Finance, Church Street Station. Oh, that's where I can mail it to. And this comes from New York City Department of Finance, parking violations, Brooklyn, New York. So what a what a beauty, huh? What a beauty. Date, time of offense, April 30th, 2019, 10:23 a.m. Has my VIN number, make, color, year of the car, body type, all that stuff. $60 ticket. Oh well. I'm not even gonna fight it because the easiest thing to do is pay it off. I just hate when the sign is so far away you can't even see it. If you guys ever seen that show Parking Wars, they say the same thing. That sign is so far away. But you know, when it comes to tickets, there's no excuse, you know. It's like you gotta peel your eyeballs and see everything. Anyway, guys, it's only a ticket, so take it easy, guys. Don't get a ticket. Just do not get a ticket. You know, I haven't gotten a parking ticket in years. It got me this time, though. It really got me this time. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Be safe out there. Don't get a ticket. Later, guys.